Welcome back to XLTECH. In this video, we are going to see how to use goal-seek features in Excel. So the goal-seek is really interesting feature in Excel. So usually we will give an input and to get the output or result. Here we know the result or target. In order to achieve the target value, how much input you need to give, that Excel will tell you. For that, we are using a goal-seeking feature. So let's move on to this video and we'll see how to use this goal-seek feature in Excel. I have mentioned star is the input and total sales is my output. I am selling per unit as 41 rupees 45 paise, and if I am selling 30 unit, I am getting the total sales as 1244. So in total sales, I am just using the formula, that is unit price into number of units sold. But my target sales is 5000. If I need to achieve this 5000, how much unit I need to sell? This I want to know. You can achieve this with the different ways. As we already put a formula in total sales, you can simply increase the number of units sold until you reach your target value. But this is the manual work. And if you know the basic calculation, you can simply divide your target value with the cost of unit. So you came to know how much unit you need to sold to achieve the target value. But for all this, you need to know some basic calculation or you need to spend some time. But in Excel, goal-seek feature can do all this for us. Go to data tab, click what if analysis. Under what if analysis, click the goal-seek. So the moment you click goal-seek, you can able to see the small goal-seek menu. First is the set cell. The set value is your target or your goal. The cell is total sales. The set cell value should be always in formula. If you are using the non-formulated cell, it won't work. And to value. So what value you want to achieve? Now we have the total sales value is 2902 for 70 units. So I want to achieve this as a 5000. That is my goal. So how you want to achieve this? I want to achieve by increasing the number of units sold. So just select the number of units sold and click OK. The moment you click OK, immediately the goal-seek status will be appear for you and it will give you the result how many unit you need to sold to achieve the 5000 as a target value. So if you are happy with that, you can simply click OK. This is one of the best feature in Excel, we can use it. So now we can see another scenario. For example, I need to achieve a total sales as 10k. So in order to achieve the total sales value, now I no need to increase the number of units sold, but I want to increase the cost. By increasing cost, I need to achieve the 10k as a total sales value. So let's move on and use the what if analysis. So go from the data tab, select the what if analysis, goal-seek. Here set cell is the same, our total sales, and now we need to achieve the 10k. 10k is our target value, and by changing cell is, here we need to increase the cost. So I am just selecting the cell where I have the cost and click OK. The moment I click OK, again I will get the goal-seek status. So if I sell per unit as 82.90 for 121 unit, I will be achieving the 10,000 as a target value. But now I think the cost unit is really high, I don't want to do that. So simply click cancel, it will revise the value. If you want to see more videos about this goal seeking, please comment below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more videos. We'll see you in another Excel video. Until then, bye from Arvind.